Cool drop. Like come on and no one go. Yeah. Like come on and no one go.
Hi guys, welcome to Joy and Sunshine. My name is Yanu. Today I'm going to spread joy and sunshine to your lives through this video. If it's your first time, please kindly subscribe below, and at the end of the video, if you really do love it, please give me a thumbs up as it helps out with the start of the video. Now just sit back and relax and enjoy the video. Peace out. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a leather wallet in 5 minutes. Now, to get your leather, you can get it from any local store that supplies shoemaking or bag making materials, for example Gumpa Market in Ibadan. To achieve the outline of the wallet, I have attached in the description box below a PDF document that you can print out and place upon your leather and trace out to make it easy for you. But I won't be doing that in this video because I already have the measurements in my mind. Yes, I am eyeballing it. So I'm going to cut out a rectangle, and just to be sure of the length that I want, I'm folding it over. And this leather that I got is so cheap. I got it at 600 naira only. The sheet is fuller than this. I already used out of it. That's why it's looking small. So do not be worried about the pricing. You can splurge on colors, experiment with colors, and have fun. Now, because I was eyeballing it, my rectangle isn't the perfect size, so I'm just going to trim down the extras. Please do not be like me. Download the PDF document that made life simpler for you. Simply place it over your leather and trace it out. That makes it so easy. So now that I have the rectangle, I'm going to fold it and try to create artificial fold lines by pressing down the edges that I want. Also, I'm going to cut what is going to be the handle of the purse. Now I'm going to be cutting out the handle, which is a thin rectangle that holds the edge of the purse. The outline is already in the PDF document. You can simply trace it out. Do not be like me, don't try to eyeball it. Okay, so once I do that, I will now introduce you to my glue, which is called the Alteco glue, which is the superstar glue that works for leather every time. Since we're not going to be sewing it, we are just going to use Alteco glue to hold down the edges that we need. Once we are through cutting out the parts, we can now fold the purse to the desired shape that we want, the length that we want to play with. Now, if you are versed in leather making, you will know that there is a special equipment that they use to press down the sides that gives it the artificial lines that helps you guide your way and all of that. I do not have that, so I don't work with leather often. But you can simply press it down with your hands just to make it stay and get a bearing. And after that, I'm going to place my handle at the desired place that I want it to be. I'm going to indicate in the document where the handle is going to be. So just practicing, this is what the purse is going to look like. Now I'm going to take my glue and I'm going to place it over the edge. Nice and smooth. Alteco is really strong, so be careful. Don't get your finger in the way. You don't want your finger gluing to the leather. Just place it over the edge of the handle on one side and place the edge of the purse over it, and simply hold down for a couple of seconds. In about 30 seconds you would feel it adding. Now I'm going to repeat the same process on the other side. And now we are through with the leather wallet. So I tried to do the same design with another color of leather and it came out pretty well. Now I made 3 of these purses, so please wait till the end of the video. There is a giveaway at the end of this video and I'm going to be announcing the winners next Thursday. Please watch the video to the very end so you can participate. It's a simple giveaway. Now you can go ahead and make your own versions. You can make one for your ID card, you can make one for your money, you can make one for your lipstick, lip glosses, whatever it is. And I'm going to be giving out these 3 purses next week Thursday. You can enter for the giveaway on my Instagram account. Simply share the video to your Instagram stories and this comment done on that Instagram video that has this. Next week Thursday I'm going to announce the winners. The winners will be randomly generated. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, what a piece of dilemma.